Welcome back to Social Guide, your ultimate destination for all things tech and social. Today we're diving deep into the world of virtual assistants, as I show you a nifty trick to switch from Gemini AI back to Google Assistant. All right, folks, first things, let's fire up that Google app on your device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture. It's usually in the corner, right here. Next, tap on the settings icon. It looks like a little gear, just like this. Here's where the magic happens, folks. Look for the Google Assistant option. And now, tap on Digital Assistants from Google. Boom! You're almost there. You'll see two options pop up, Gemini AI and Google Assistant. You click simply on Google Assistant and you switch from Gemini AI back to Google Assistant. And that's it, folks. With just a few taps, you've seamlessly transitioned back to the reliable Google Assistant. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and social insights. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay tech.